Hi guys, it's a very still night tonight. I don't know whether you can see the flag over there hanging limply. There's no wind at all, no breeze. It's very warm. It'll be dark soon. It's that's the time and date. We let the two guys out from this room here. To be honest, I don't even know their names. I've always just been told to keep away, to keep out of the room because they were a flight risk. Tina dealt with them. But now we've let them out. Tina's taken into consideration their previous history, their age, and what they were used to doing before they came here. And they lived very close to a busy road on an industrial estate, and they were allowed out. They were outdoor cats. So we're surmising that they're confident around vehicles, and they should be okay. But the first night is the hardest all the time, and only time will tell whether what we've decided to do has been a success or not. I hear someone. They've got very acute hearing. So yeah, it's always difficult when we first let animals out. They're wandering around at the moment, they're finding their feet, they're looking around. The lie of the land. These guys probably won't move until that person's gone. It's good that they're so cautious. They know me now, they put up with me, they don't let me near them, I can't touch them. So, God forbid if anything happens to them, I won't be able to help. Maybe Daphne, because we've helped her before. But she's gone back to her feral ways. Little Freddy, he's still suffering with a bit of flu. We've got an awful lot of diarrhea going around. And because we're not certain what Baron died from, of or with, we're a bit concerned in case anything spreads. Because that can happen. And it's happened to us before. And it can be quite devastating. So we're being vigilant. We're looking out for any signs and symptoms. The diarrhea is not good, for sure. Even Minnie had diarrhea, and that's quite unusual for her. She's quite a strong old bird. It's like a mother's meeting there. Who is this guy? I don't know. I don't know if it's one of ours or not. There are so many who look almost the same. That's the dog, the neighbour's dog barking at that person. Looks as though they're walking to the football stadium. So we're just chilling now. There's Max. It's been a busy day. I've been trying to do some maintenance and fixing the pump, gardening, weeding. I got up before the sparrows were coughing this morning. I stopped for lunch at 2 o'clock and had a beer with my friend Chris. It's always nice to see Chris. He's 74, and we never know, none of us know how long we're going to be here, do we? So what are these two doing? Jousting. This one's one of ours, but I've got a sneaking suspicion that this is a stray. They come to eat at this time. And the little ones are really interested in the big toms. If we get our way and we manage to catch them, we'll have them neutered. And if they do have homes, the people that own them will never even know, because they don't care. They just don't want to pay, generally speaking. There's Lucky the dog taking herself for a walk again. Bless her, she's really old. Doing very well actually, for considering the condition that she's been in, and her heart condition. The guys here have had their dinner, their evening meal, dinner, tea, whatever. I don't know what various people call it, I think there's a lot of names for it. But it's their evening meal, the final meal of the day, usually, unless I give them supper. So they're all calm, and I'm just going to relax for a while now. Tina's just gone to work. I don't know how she does it. I really don't know how she does it. Maybe I could have done it when I was younger. But she's been working all day too. She's been running around shopping, getting supplies in for the animals, so there's food there. We're dealing with broken cars. This dog's an absolute nightmare. It really is a nightmare. It's a poor thing though. Its friend, its stablemate died, the big one, so it howls and howls when it's left alone. It gets a lot of separation anxiety, but the guy's got to go to work. The owner. He looks after it well, loves it, but he can't be there all the time. Oh, that's Lucky. One of the cats that's just been let out is black, with a collar, but it's a blue collar, I believe. There, she's there, just through the gate. And we've left the door open because that's their sanctuary. So the door's been wedged open so that they can go back to their bed at night and come out whenever they like. And they've been using the poopy patch, so that's great. That's the first thing that the cats want to do when they're allowed to be free. They absolutely hate the litter trays. Marlowe's doing okay. He can come home on Saturday. Dom Perignon has got an infection. He's also in the vet hospital, but he can come home, I think, also on Saturday. So while they've been away, Tina's been servicing their room and making sure that if there's any bacteria in there, it is now gone. Because we don't know what's going around. So we have to just do our best to keep everything as clean as we possibly can. We do try, honestly. I know it looks a mess, but we do try. Alright guys, that's the news from today. I don't think there's anything else. It's just Marlowe. I'll be glad to have him home, the big guy. Marlowe's put on weight. He's gone from 3.8 kilos to, wait for it, 5.5 kilos. So all that feeding we've been doing has worked wonders. The vets are amazed and delighted that he's put on so much weight. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching if you got this far. Cheers for now, bye. It helps if I turn the speaker on, the microphone rather. It's getting pretty dark. This is when the rascals get most active. There goes Bruiser. There goes Bruiser. There's lots of them in the field. Hey Amber. Hey Amber. Sweetie. Felix. Hey Felix. Sweet banana. She'll go back to her chair. She loves these old chairs. A whole bunch of them do actually.